In the vast ecosystem of accounting software, there's a constant quest for tools that balance functionality with cost-effectiveness. For many small businesses, freelancers, and even individuals managing personal finances, the idea of a free, open-source solution is incredibly appealing. This often brings GnuCash into the spotlight. But with a myriad of paid options available, a crucial question emerges. Is GnuCash worth it? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. GnuCash is a powerful tool, but its worth is highly dependent on your specific needs, your comfort with accounting principles, and your willingness to invest a bit of time into learning. What is GnuCash? At its heart, GnuCash is a free, open-source financial accounting program. It's built on the solid foundation of double-entry bookkeeping, a fundamental principle in accounting that ensures every transaction has an equal and opposite effect in at least 2 different accounts. This means that for every debit, there's a corresponding credit, ensuring your books always balance. This rigorous approach makes GnuCash reliable for accurate financial record-keeping. Originally designed for personal finance, GnuCash has evolved significantly to include features suitable for small businesses. It's available across various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, which is a major advantage for users who don't want to be tied to a specific platform. The worth it equation. Pros of GnuCash. Let's delve into the compelling reasons why GnuCash might be a valuable asset for you. It's completely free and open source. This is undoubtedly GnuCash's biggest selling point. There are no subscription fees, no hidden costs, and no premium features locked behind a paywall. For startups, freelancers, or small businesses operating on a tight budget, this eliminates a significant recurring expense. The open-source nature also means a dedicated community actively maintains and improves the software, constantly adding features and fixing bugs. Robust double-entry accounting. Unlike simpler money management apps that might just track income and expenses, GnuCash offers full double-entry accounting. This provides a professional and comprehensive overview of your financial health, allowing you to generate accurate balance sheets, income statements, profit and loss, and cash flow reports. This is essential for serious financial management and tax preparation. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you use Windows, a Mac, or a Linux distribution, GnuCash works seamlessly. This flexibility is particularly useful if you switch between operating systems or have team members using different platforms. Comprehensive features for small businesses. Beyond basic expense tracking, GnuCash offers customer and vendor tracking, manage who you owe and who owes you, invoicing and bill payment, create and send invoices to clients and track bills from vendors, accounts receivable, A/R, and accounts payable, A/P. Keep a clear record of money owed to you and money you owe. Budgeting. Create and track budgets to manage your spending and financial goals. Reporting and graphs. Generate a variety of financial reports, balance sheet, income statement, transaction reports, and visualize your data with graphs. Bank reconciliation. Match your GnuCash entries with your bank statements to ensure accuracy and catch errors. Multi-currency support. Essential for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. Scheduled transactions. Automate recurring income or expense entries, saving time and reducing manual errors. Data ownership and security. Because GnuCash is a desktop application, your financial data is stored locally on your computer or a location you choose. This provides a sense of control and potentially greater security compared to cloud-based solutions where your data resides on a third-party server. The worth it equation. Cons and considerations. While GnuCash offers a lot, it's not without its limitations, which are important to consider. Steeper learning curve. GnuCash, due to its adherence to proper accounting principles, can have a steeper learning curve than more intuitive, simplified accounting apps. If you're completely new to double-entry accounting, you'll need to invest time in understanding concepts like debits, credits, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. No integrated payroll. As discussed previously, GnuCash does not have a fully integrated, automated payroll module. Businesses with employees will need to use an external payroll service or manage calculations manually, and then record summary entries in GnuCash. No cloud-based access. GnuCash is primarily a desktop application. This means you can't access your financial data from any device with an internet connection, unlike cloud-based software. If you need to access your books on the go or have multiple users collaborating simultaneously from different locations, this can be a significant drawback. While there are ways to share files, it's not as seamless as a true cloud solution. Interface can feel dated. The user interface, while functional, might not be as sleek or modern as many contemporary cloud-based accounting solutions. For some, this can impact usability and visual appeal. Limited direct support. Being open source, GnuCash doesn't offer dedicated customer support lines or chat services. Support primarily comes from community forums, online documentation, and user guides. While the community is helpful, it's not the same as having direct technical assistance. No native mobile app for full functionality. While there might be companion apps for expense tracking, GnuCash doesn't have a fully functional mobile application that mirrors the desktop experience for comprehensive accounting tasks.